guys, welcome to my first vlog of 2023. Yes, join me as myself and my husband have a mini getaway to Houston, Texas. As you see, we arrived at night and we arrived at the William Hobby Airport. So pulling up now, this is at the Marquis Houston Hotel. It's in the city. It was like probably 30 minutes from the airport. So let's see what they have to offer. So pulling up at the hotel, the aesthetics, the entrance was beautiful. It was lined with a lot of luxury cars. There's a valet. Unfortunately, it's paid valet. You have to pay, I think, $65 a night for parking. Houston was chilly when we went, so be prepared if you're planning to travel in this time around January or February. It gets cold, so luckily I had my jacket. Okay, this is us inside the lobby, the reception area, just heading to the front desk to get our keys and to head up to our room. We were able to do online check-in prior to arriving because we were arriving so late. But as you see, the hotel is well decorated with nice chandeliers, interesting art pieces. So here we were heading up to our rooms after getting the keys. I think the hotel goes up to 29th floor and we were on the 24th floor. So here we're just waiting on our elevator. Yep, some interesting decor. Finally, we arrived at our room. We were so tired, guys. This is not the way I really wanted to do the vlog as a voiceover, but this is how I have to do it. I'm sorry. So the room was easy to find. The entrance to the room had a side table where you could put some belongings, your keys, whatever you had on you. So this was a queen bed. Has a 2-bed side table. You get your 4 pillows. There's a bedside telephone. There's a little sitting area. Oh my god, this is the best part of the room, guys. Look at the view at night. We had a view of the pool, and guess what? Look at it. It's shaped as the map of Texas. Yes, I was in love with the view. I could stay up all night just looking out. Ooh, I enjoy the view, guys. So get that room when you book the Marquis. Yes, so it had a little sitting area for computer for those doing business or whatever. It has a TV. It has a little area there for coffee, for water. It had a mini refrigerator underneath. Okay, before with the mini refrigerator, they have the the standard iron board closet. That's the ice bucket. They gave us a complimentary water with 2 glasses, a mini refrigerator, and yeah, everything to your comfort. It was really, really a comfortable room. The bathroom I thought would be more wow, but it was okay. It was average. But they had everything there. You had your towels, your face cloth, a big mirror with good lighting, and the toilets there, and of course some pretty artwork. And guys, my name was on the TV. Welcome to Marquis. So sign up to be a Marriott Bonvoy member. Guys, most beautiful wedding I've been to in a long time. From beginning to end, she had two ceremonies: the white gown wedding at first, and then the Nigerian wedding, and everything was top tiered, from food, entertainment, dancing. It was a vibe. We thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. Congrats again to the newlyweds. So this was the next day, and for breakfast we ordered in room service, but there are restaurants on the property if you want to go down and have breakfast. But of course I was too lazy, so we just ordered in some room service, then and of course it was delicious. And then we got ready because we have a bus tour. Guys, this is my favorite fragrance to travel with. Yep, it goes everywhere I go. And this is me showing you a view of from our room during the daytime, and it was just as beautiful as the nighttime. Surrounded by a lot of high-rise buildings, a lot of high-rise hotels. I'm assuming that was as well. But the view was just amazing. It was breathtaking. I would recommend staying at the Marquis. Cleanliness was 10 out of 10. Staff was friendly and super helpful. We enjoyed our stay thoroughly there. Yes, we had a time. It was a wonderful stay at this hotel. We'll definitely be back.
Yeah, definitely. Sorry,
I would say we give the hotel a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, definitely. And
Even
maybe
though we didn't get to experience the spa or the pool, but it looks so beautiful. Just
but it was
looking at
really,
it.
yeah, and it was a nice, quiet. It's nice, quiet, except for the noise in the background. But it was
We had a
generally
time, so we're leaving the hotel now, going to a bus tour to tour Houston, Texas. So we'll take you guys along with us. Alright, see you then.
Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
No, I meant the one in UK.
Oh, I've never been to the UK.
They call them the same system.
Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
But it sounds
and then we'll come back around 12:50, almost around 1, back into the visitor center, okay? Right in front of us in the distance, we're going to find the big Hilton Americas Hotel. That happens to be the largest hotel in Houston. They have an observation deck on the top up there. If you want to go and have a lunch or drink, and you can see a really beautiful panoramic view of Houston up there. This is the largest hotel in Houston. It's owned by the city, but it's leased by Hilton. Was built here to accommodate thousands and thousands of convention attendees that we normally get every week at the big George R. Brown graffiti park. It's a very popular spot, you know, for YouTubers, TikTokers, movie makers, video producers, TV commercials. It's a place for art and art expression. We're gonna look around. Have your cameras ready right around the corner. We're gonna find a picture of Houstonian George Floyd. This is more or less the neighborhood where George Floyd grew up. And also we're gonna find a picture of Selena. I don't know if we all watched the movie with Jennifer Lopez about the life of this young Tejano music singer. She was from Corpus Christi, Texas. And actually, her last concert was here in Houston at the Houston Rodeo, at the Houston Astrodome. And talking about the Houston Rodeo, it's about to start next week.
I was able to book this bus tour the night before, but I had in mind that I wanted to do it, so I was researching before I got to Texas. The tour was 80 minutes. It was really interesting, a lot of history about Texas. I would recommend it. It was just beautiful driving around, seeing the different areas, different buildings in Texas, and learning about some history. We had fun.
The sign that crystal pyramid in front of the Louvre Museum in Paris, I am paid. They have the observation deck on the 60th floor. On the left, we're going to find a very colorful piece of art. That is from the Spanish artist Jean Miro. And that's supposed to represent a lady in a park with birds flying off her shoulders.
Guys, that was the end of the bus tour. Now we're heading to find a gas station to put gas and to return this vehicle.
Let's see.
Yeah, the bus tour was lovely. How much would you give it? I would give it 10 out of 10. It was lovely. Really lovely. Really some good history about Texas. Yep.
Huh?
Hey, if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Sure B. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad I can share my travel experience with you. Drop a comment below and let me know that you enjoyed the vlog. See you in my next one.